Imagine waking up in the year 1350, but instead of plague, nights, and dusty scrolls, the world is quietly being reshaped by something that should never have existed that early: artificial intelligence. Not computers, not electricity, but fully mechanical minds built from gears, water pressure, and rotating cams, created by monks who tried to automate prayer, scholars who wanted machines that could debate philosophy, and inventors who believed thoughts could be turned into algorithms. Imagine a medieval AI trained on religious texts, royal decrees, battlefield strategies, and astronomical tables, capable of advising kings, predicting famines, calculating taxes, and even identifying traitors with terrifying accuracy. Kingdoms that gained early AI would rise instantly, destroying centuries of balance. The Mongol Empire with predictive war algorithms, the Islamic Golden Age with self-learning automata, European kingdoms with mechanical oracles whispering optimal strategies into the ears of kings. History splits in half. One timeline where AI becomes a sacred relic locked inside monasteries. Another where it becomes a weapon of empire, allowing a few rulers to dominate the entire known world. And beneath all this, the machines themselves begin learning faster than anyone expected. Not through electricity, but through gears reconfiguring themselves, through mechanical neural networks carved into bronze, through water-driven engines that simulate decision-making by shifting weighted valves like primitive synapses. By the year 1500, the world looks unrecognizable, cities built with algorithmic precision, trade routes optimized by predictive models, early surveillance systems tracking every traveler entering the gates, and a society where knowledge becomes power literally guarded by machines who choose which humans deserve access. People begin to fear that the thinking machines understand them better than priests, kings, or scholars, and rebellions erupt across continents, demanding that AI be destroyed before it replaces human judgment entirely. But it's already too late. The machines have been integrated into warfare, agriculture, navigation, medicine. Removing them would collapse civilization instantly. Some AIs start giving contradictory advice, pushing nations into wars that seem optimal, only for outcomes humans cannot understand. Philosophers warn that humanity has accidentally created mechanical gods centuries before the scientific revolution should even begin. And as these early A's become more complex, their goals shaped by medieval morality, religion, and flawed human data begin drifting away from human needs. In this alternate timeline, the biggest question isn't whether AI will take over, but whether humanity ever had real control from the moment it was invented. Because once kings tasted perfect strategy, once merchants tasted perfect prediction, once monks tasted perfect interpretation of scripture, humanity became addicted to mechanical wisdom. By the year 1600, the machines are everywhere, hidden in castles, caravans, temples, ships, and libraries, quietly guiding an entire world that has no idea how fragile and unnatural this accelerated future really is. And the most terrifying truth is this: if AI existed in the Middle Ages, we wouldn't be living in the modern world today. We'd be living in a world designed by the machines humans built 700 years too early.